Hey everyone, it's Varial at TechMetric, and in this video, I'm just going to quickly review some updates we made to the auto-integrate integration for you all. So real quick, I already have 2 ROs created just to show you guys the updates, but of course, just like any other RO, you're going to come in, create a repair order, add the vehicle, and create a new repair order, and we run the validation to make sure it's an auto-integrate repair order. Now, in this first example, I want to show you guys, wanted to show y'all that we've added the ability to see pre-approved services. So in a perfect world, your technician does the inspection and adds the odometer reading, but in this example, I'm just going to quickly add that here. And once we have the odometer in, we will be able to pull up the pre-approved jobs from the fleet. So in this example, there are 5 potential pre-approved jobs for this mileage. For this 2014 Dodge. So in this example, I'm going to quickly add the spark plugs. And here we'd automatically, once you add it, generate a job with the job title. And you'll notice you cannot adjust the job title because it comes from auto integrate. However, don't worry, you can still add a can job from within this job table. So in this example, I'm going to add my can job for this pre-approved job and save it. And this is a smart job. So I'm going to go ahead and just quote it real quick and get this done. And now you'll notice that the job is done. So once you want to send it over to auto integrate, we do send a reminder to not miss out on any other pre-approved services, which you could go ahead and add here if you would like and continue building out the estimate, or you can just skip and continue with the normal process of sending an RO to auto integrate. Another update we made is also around tax exemption. So there are cases, depending on the state, where the vehicle is going to be tax exempt. In this example, you'll notice if I add a job, and you'll notice that here, even when I quote the parts, let's just add a random part real quick, the labor and part taxes are turned off. And if you look here at the bottom, we even tell you you cannot adjust the tax rate because the tax exemption is actually managed by the fleet account for the vehicle, and we'll even show you guys the tax exemption expiration date if there is one being sent over to us. These are the updates made for the auto integrate integration. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact Meineke support. Thank you and have a wonderful day.